tomorrow is my birthday. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys have been here before, if you have not, my name is Kate. I need to close my door. I'm screaming and I have roommates. Okay guys, so I am turning 23 years old this year and I have always been a birthday person. I love my birthday. This year, I wanted to do something outside of the box and I love throwing parties. It's like my thing. I had a graduation party a couple months ago and it was awesome. After doing that, I realized what I wanted to do different. So I was pondering what I wanted to do for my birthday this year, and since quarantine happened, I have not seen so many of my friends this year, and that's just a crime and I'm not okay with it. I am throwing a birthday party at my house to celebrate me, because what else would I do on my birthday? And I guess birthdays are the only time where it's okay to make it all about yourself, right? Okay, yes, sure. So my amazing, beautiful, talented, incredible roommate Matt, I almost said Margaret. I call her Margaret. Maggie is helping me with my party along with so many of my other friends. But I wanted to do this the most affordable way because quarantine did happen. But I want to show you guys the decor of it and how I'm setting it up. So the theme is PJ party. It's brunch themed. I'm gonna have a mimosa bar, lots of like finger foods, but it is starting at 7 o'clock. So I didn't plan that very accordingly, but it's okay because I wanted it to be PJ themed. So if you guys are curious on why I'm wearing a robe right now, I actually just fake tanned and did my makeup and stuff. So I decided that the robe was the better way to go while I fake bake. Let's get into some of the decor that I got for this party. This vlog is gonna kind of be everywhere. It's a sit down video, it's a vlog, I don't know what it is, but I wanna show you guys the decor in the house tomorrow when we're actually setting up. And then I wanna show you guys some of the stuff that I actually bought for the party. So Maggie is handling all of the desserts and she bought so many of the foods already for me. She's incredible. She has been so helpful through this. So let's get into some of the stuff I bought. I don't want this video to be 8 years long, but I want you guys to see what I got and also be able to maybe plan your own party, or if you're planning a party for someone, this could be for like a bridal shower, a birthday party, I don't know, bachelorette party, whatever you guys want to do. Here are my ideas. This is what I'm doing. So let's first start with the cheapest place that I went to, which is Dollar Tree. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree. It is amazing. I got a good amount of stuff from Dollar Tree. So we didn't really know if we were gonna do pink with like gold or silver. We now decided it's gonna be like more pink and silver, but I did get a couple gold things. So the first thing that I got from Dollar Tree is this iridescent tablecloth. I actually got this to do pictures with, but I thought it was perfect and I'm really into iridescent right now. And then I just got some really, you know, typical things to put food on. I got this gold dish plate, it's a plate, and then these two trays. So this one's hard, it's just like a gold one. And then these are a pack of 6 rose gold plates that I got at Dollar Tree. So I don't really know if we're gonna put like food on them or what. So there's that, I figured we can do something with it. And then this cute little divider thing, it's silver. I'm gonna put the fruit in here for the mimosas. And Maggie had the most amazing idea. She bought frozen fruit to put into the mimosa so it'll keep your drink cold. I didn't even think about that. That's brilliant. So we're gonna do that. And I got some cute light pink square paper plates. I couldn't remember the name of these. There's 18 in a pack for $1, so that's amazing. I went to Party City, which is my next little group of stuff. They had all of the pink polka dot themed stuff for like $2, and I got each of these for $1. These are napkins. We also got some white ones to mix in there with it, but these are just cute. And then the last thing I got at Dollar Tree for the party are these rose gold straws. I don't know if your friends are like my friends, but every time we start drinking anything, we always want straws. I feel like you can drink faster with the straw. Am I supposed to say that? I don't know. It's the truth. Okay, let's get into the next little bit. Party city. Oh my God, why did I say that? I don't know, I'm embarrassed for myself. So the champagne glasses we got are these. They're pink and it's a pack of what? 20 pink champagne glasses. Like, I'm living for this, and they had every color. So if you're not a pink person, you want to do blue, they had blue, they had green, they had silver, gold, but pink iridescent, well, this isn't iridescent. Pink see-through is right up my alley, so we got those. And then I got these 3 giant iridescent stars that we're gonna hang on the backdrop for pictures because you gotta have a photo wall. So they're very, very iridescent, like that tablecloth. I thought they were adorable, and I wanted to put more on the backdrop, but I really want to keep it like PJ themed, so I thought that'd be perfect to take pictures in front of. And then we got some baby pink and some silver streamers. The baby pink was only 99 cents. This one was like $1.20 because it's silver, but I think the pink is way cuter. So there's that. And then I think these were 50 cents each. We just got some confetti stars so we can put it on the dessert table or whatnot. Just decorate with them if you can see them. I'll show you guys when they're all laid out and set up too. We got these, they're called, oh, that's Spanish, paper fan garland. So it's these pink strands right here. They're really cute. I think these were $3 and we're not really sure what we're gonna do with them, but they have little hints of rose gold and white in them. So I thought they were the perfect accent for like the mimosa bar or something. We got this little champagne popper. I think this was $2. It's gonna pop confetti, so I wanted to use this for a photo like in the morning or whenever I go and take my little selfie by myself photos. Next, Maggie insisted she get me this. This is a champagne glass. It's huge, and I don't think I've been more excited to be drinking out of something. I am so excited for this. Like, yes, I cannot wait. And last from Party City, we got these little thingamabobbers that I don't know the name of, and we're gonna put OJ in one and cranberry juice in the other. And I think I'm gonna monogram them and put like what they are on the outside all pretty in pink because I have a monogram machine. I think that'd be really cute. So that's all I got from Party City. Let's move on. Okay, and then the next little bit I got from Amazon. So I ordered our game that we're gonna be playing. I ordered for the girls, which I'm gonna put a picture of it up right here. But it's a card game with a bunch of fun little things that are like tailored towards like a girl's party. I've never played it before personally, but I've heard really amazing things about it. So I ordered that. It's actually in the living room, so I'll show you guys that in a little bit. But then I also ordered like 50 packs of the intact. I'm keeping that in the vlog. I just yeeted those across my office. Okay, be right back. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got 50 of the Intax mini Polaroid film things. These are about $30 for 50 of them, and then I have my Polaroid camera, and then Maggie's gonna bring her camera as well out, and I'm gonna have a little area for people to take pictures and then like sign them, kind of like as a, you know, remembering moment. I'm really big on like cliche, like leave me a card things. Like I keep every card I've ever gotten for like a graduation or a birthday, but I want to keep them in my bedroom because I don't feel like I have enough pictures of my friends, and like I have my little photo wall here of my friends, so I'm gonna be doing that. The last thing I ordered from Amazon was my outfit that I'm gonna be wearing. Like I said, it is pajama themed and it's pink themed, so you know your girls gotta wear pink PJs. I got this set on Amazon for about $20. I'll leave the link in the description. They had a bunch of different colors, and they got here really, really quick. I ordered these like pretty quickly when I knew what my party theme was gonna be. So here are the bottoms. These are a large. I'm usually like a medium large, probably like large bottoms, medium top, but these fit kind of small, so I would size up on them, and they are very cheeky. So I'm gonna be wearing my black robe with it. I have like 8 million robes because I hoard them, but it has this cute little bow on the front, and then the top is just very satiny and cute. I really like this. I feel like I will definitely wear it more than just for the party. So I will definitely insert pictures of me wearing it, but you guys will see when I set everything up tomorrow. So the reason I have my face caked on today is I'm celebrating my birthday today with my boyfriend. Him and I are gonna go do some stuff. I don't know what we're doing yet, but him and I are gonna spend the day together since tomorrow is girls only. Sorry, baby. And so yeah, I'm really excited about it. To prep, I got my hair toned. I work at a hair salon, so I got my hair toned yesterday. Just took some of the brassiness out, and then I fake tanned, like I said. I actually got this necklace for myself too from Kendra Scott. If you guys haven't heard of Kendra Scott, or if you have, I'm obsessed with her, and I really wanted like a double chained Elise necklace. You get 50% off with your birthday month, so I went and got this from the Avalon. And then I got my nails did this morning. Okay, let's see if you can actually see them. They're like a very light pink, but they're coming up kind of white. And then I got my toes did too. They're pink too. Okay, I'm way too excited. I need to calm down. But we've been cleaning, setting up. I'm so excited to show you guys the actual setup and like the decoration process. But I think this is all I'm gonna show you guys today because I do need to go get ready. So tomorrow I will hop back on here and show you guys the decoration process. I do have to run back to Party City, get balloons and a couple other things. We have so many cute ideas for the setup of everything. Oh wait, should I show you guys one of my birthday presents that I opened yet? I'm very excited about it. So my parents live in Pennsylvania. I did a vlog when I was over there once if you guys wanted to check that out. But they got me this amazing viewfinder for my Sony. So I typically shoot with my Sony when I do like videography or like high-end stuff. So I love my Sony. Right now I'm filming on a Panasonic LUMIX, so I don't know if this interests anybody. This will make it so I have a viewfinder on my nice camera so I can step my videos up a little bit more. So I'm very excited to start using this. So let me know if you guys see the quality changing soon. That's all for right now. I will see you guys tomorrow when we start decorating. Bye. Good morning, guys, or afternoon, I guess. It's already like 3 o'clock, but we've been running around doing little things for the party all day. I had an amazing night with Chuck. We've got Shasta here helping. I'm out of breath. We just carried all of our groceries in, but look at this sash that Maggie got me. I'm way too excited about it, and the foam that Taya thought would be fun to tear off of my mattress. But I've cleaned for the most part. I still have more cleaning to do. Hey.
Hello.
So let me show you guys what we're working with today.
Okay, so my audio totally just went out at this part, but here is us with the balloons from Kroger. We got like 12 of them for $10, which was really good with helium. And then those are my friends who are helping me set up. And over here, we got some sodas for those that aren't drinking mimosas, and a ton of food. We've got like sandwiches, chips, strawberries, so we can make these like little pancake things. Lots of really yummy food. We got some OJ for the mimosas and a cooler to put everything in. But these little turkey rolls were from Costco, and there was a lot of them in there for $10, and they were literally a hit. So I got 2 of those, and they were completely gone by the time the party ended. A lot of the other foods weren't touched yet, but yeah, so we are getting everything together. Oh, and my Cricut, I put the words on here, and they were so freaking cute, and I was so happy with it. So yeah, that's about it. We have the roses that Chuck got me for my birthday, and we're starting to put everything together. So here's me talking and no volume. Hi, okay, next part. I totally plugged in the microphone wrong because here I am talking about Lord knows what. But this was like right as my friends started getting there. Kate and Catherine are helping us set up, so they were a little bit early. And I just wanted to show you guys like how we set up the living room so that there was more space in there. So we moved the couches around a lot, and we filled up these balloons that had confetti in them. And we popped a couple of them, and they literally got everywhere, like literally everywhere. So it was really annoying, and the cleanup sucked for that. But here was the backdrop. It was so cute. Like, I'm gonna insert some pictures that we did. And then the mimosa bar all set up. We just had to fill up everything and put the strawberries and frozen fruit in there. And then Maggie's over there making desserts. And here is the table that we haven't set up yet, but we end up setting it up at like the very end of the night, right before people got there. But yeah, so we're very excited. So here is the food all set up and arranged. It literally took forever. And Amanda eating chips. Love my little. And then here is the next morning. Yeah, it was a great lot to clean up, but it was literally the most fun party ever. I will insert some clips at the end. Here is BB sleeping. I love you, BB. I hope you're watching this. Good night, Angel. It was like 12 o'clock in the afternoon, but here are some clips. Enjoy at my embarrassment.